I'm already on the road, so I decided to come here to eat a meal by myself. But I really like this place because they have gluten-free crepes. So that's what we're gonna be eating today. And we're gonna be happy. Such a really nice being here by myself. I'm like the first customer today. It's a lovely day out. It's not quite hitting 80s right now. So I can wear a sweater. Feels nice. Gonna eat crepe with cheesecake filling, raspberry sauce, and strawberries on it. So I'm really excited. I've been wanting to come here for like months, but I haven't because it wasn't like on my way, and I just didn't feel like going out of my way to come over here. But it's not even that far away from my house. It's like 10 minutes away, maybe. I don't know. But it's really nice to be here, just chilling by myself. And I could just eat in peace with the traffic sound in the background. 2 days ago, I bought some prescription glasses for my Sigismund. I literally just learned how to say this now. I can't remember how to say it. But yeah, apparently I can't see very good sometimes. So I bought glasses. I got it like the most like basic and cheapest one you could get. But I got them in a brown color. But I think they have like black face holders. I don't know what they're called. Apparently if you tie this in a knot, think of a guy. Nah. You ask a question, you say, is he thinking of me? If you get a knot in your paper, that means he is not thinking of you. So let's think. I don't know who would be thinking of me, but let's see if he's thinking of me. He is not. Got my meal. Feels so awkward. Felt like I was getting caught. Here's my gluten-free crepe. I feel like I've been so hungry for days. So this is gotta be like my first meal. Satisfied with my life now. I haven't even finished. Yeah, I got like half crepe left. I can't eat anymore, but it's delicious and delicious. I'm happy. Okay, here's my alarm clock. It's called the Soda Bomb. That's like pretty epic name, right? So this is how I wake up. Okay, so I have this thing. This is the part that shakes my bed so I can wake up. It's pretty awesome. See? It's a super shaker. Bed vibrator. So I just put it like in my sheet because it'll move around and go in the back of the bed and I can't reach it. And then it just shakes the whole house and I can't feel it. So it has flashing lights right here. You know what? I'll show you how it works. Okay, I have alarm at 7:42. I'll do it 10:01. So that's how I wake up. This thing just shakes my bed. Of course you can snooze it, but I honestly don't like snoozing that much because it gives me like panic attack every time I wake up. But yeah, that's how it works. But now I gotta put it back. It also has the buzz, so you can use it as a normal alarm clock. But since I can't hear it's useless, I should have tried it. But most of the time I just have it off because I don't wake up that early. But you can set 2 alarms on here, which is really cool because if I want to wake up at like 2 different times, I could pick alarm 1 and alarm 2 where I could do both. Then you have your volume, which I have it off. But yeah, here you go. That's how I wake up as a deaf person. Sometimes, if I have to. There you have it.